All right, you guys ready? Slip stitch to join that cluster to this cluster. Now, instead of climbing on up there and doing what we usually do, instead of building another step right here, this is where we're going to turn our work, the whole kit and caboodle, this whole thing, this big huge piece that we have so diligently worked on, this whole thing. Okay, we are going to take and slip stitch our way all the way to the top of this. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. This is where I do my last slip stitch. I go into that chain 3 space and do a slip stitch, and then I turn this pointing up and chain 3, yarn over, yarn over, first double, second double, third double, and then we're going to join as usual right here. Snug that down and grab your stitch marker, because when you come back to this point, I want you to stop before adding anything else, because we are at a point of decrease right now. So this stitch marker is just going to come right up in here. I know, guys, I am enjoying an iced coffee right now. So this is my little iced coffee. Actually, I have a big one. Oh, that yarny zebra and stuff right there. It's Doorbeth. Thank you all for coming along with this little crochet long. And we're going to get right to it, right after a good sip. Oh, that was really, really good. I have some iced hazelnut in there tonight. I know. Oh, yes. Okay. So we are here. And we are doing our 3 chains, yarn over, get right into it. Same thing, 3 double crochets. And this one's number 3. Come over here, join, snug it, chain 3. And we're just keeping on. We're going to keep on keeping on, y'all. Seems like we're always climbing the steps or not getting anywhere, but listen up. We are getting somewhere, because when we get here, instead of climbing up this wall and chaining 6 and continuing, we are going to halt that and do the same thing we did earlier. We are decreasing. So no more climbing up and making this bigger, because it's going to be the size we need to do what we need to do. All right, just want you to know that. So keep working until you complete your square, and I will get back with you. You can get back with me, and we'll just continue on. Wait, I will help you right here. I want to make sure you are right where you need to be. If you have no need for a little bit of extra decrease right here, assistance, then by all means keep going. Alrighty, all you yarn lovers, here we go. we're getting ready to do this decrease. I do have a little helper squatting over here in my workspace. I do indeed. He is very ready for his snuggle time and lap time with Mama, which would be me. So let's get in here. Okay, I'll bring you into the view. This is where we join with our slip stitch. Go ahead and do that. Snug that down really good. Totally turn your entire work. You note that we did not go to the end here. We did not pass go or collect $200. We are going to stop because it's time to decrease. We did not go over to this wall and chain 6 because, you know, our wall is always on this side. So here we go. Do you see where we are? Make sure your yarn is over here. Go through this chain, slip stitch. Go through this chain, slip stitch. Go through this chain, slip stitch. Go into that chain 3, slip stitch. Oh Lordy, now we chain 3, not 6. And then we do our 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. My helper is so funny. Let's bridge this gap right here with a slip stitch. Chain 3. Oh, let go of my yarn, you silly kitty. And do your 3 double crochets. All right, y'all. I know I'm out of the camera because somebody that's 4-legged is trying to take over. He wants the lap. All right, so if you were really willing to go on, don't forget to decrease right here. Bless you all real big. I'm going to put this away. I am taking out my stitch marker and putting it where it needs to be because Sugar Lumpus is very clearly telling me it's past bedtime. He needs his snuggle time before bed. Yes, he is that demanding, handsome, white phenomena that I love. So we've got our stitch marker in place right here. So I'm going to put everything in its place. If I can kidnap everything, may I? Thank you. Whew, guys, this is the funniest and the most amazing find. I got it at the same place I found this yarn, Goodwill. I'm sorry, G&W Boutique. It's an alpine glass case. I just about guarantee it. But it's as strong as a Samsonite. You ever seen those? Remember those commercials? And it fits everything that I need right in there. Okay. Oh, goodness. That Sugar Lumpus is like, oh, Mama's done. It's time for some snuggles. Y'all, remember, Jesus loves you real big. And homemade is made with love.